Did you know there are more than 1 million yearly limb amputations worldwide? One every 30 seconds. And about 5.4 million people are living with paralysis. Close your eyes and imagine your worst physical pain. Now imagine your worst mind pain and add that to your physical pain. Finally, imagine all this pain inside you and not being able to scream or voice it out. Feeling helpless, unable to move, be seen or heard. Paralyzed people and amputees need a solution to help them regain their freedom of mobility. Mechanical limbs and support like the WILMER elbow allow control of lower arm. However, the movement is limited as it requires leftover muscle or some nerve function, which is usually lost during amputation. Additionally, existing prosthetic limbs do not have a solution for fully paralyzed patients. An electroencephalogram-based brain-computer interface, or EEG-BCI, can provide full body movement control to amputees and paralysis individuals. An EEG is a test used to measure the electrical signals in the brain. The BCI serves as a communication device to send these electrical signals to the robotic device. However, this application is still very new and developing. More research is required to improve the accuracy of the EEG-BCI signals that are full of noise. Deep learning has proved to be effective in EEG analysis. However, designing and training a deep network for EEG decoding and visualizing needs to be researched further. The purpose of this study is to design and train a deep convolutional neural network, ConvNet, for end-to-end EEG decoding and visualization of the salient EEG features learned from raw EEG data extracted from the BR32S BCI. Furthermore, the difference in brain signals when raising the left or right arm will be observed. This study also focuses on spatial data or visual data instead of time-dependent data. Spatial data is like a map of the signal you are studying with all the positions and measurement informations. This is why it is the perfect choice when solving complicated three-dimensional problems such as our brain's physical structure. I will be working at the Center of Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Research Department and utilizing BR32S BCI to extract EEG data from 6 individual subjects. Firstly, the signal data obtained is split into 2 categories, which are feature representation and training specification. These signals will then undergo filtering using filter bank common spatial patterns or FBCSP and ConvNets to filter out the bad signal data. Afterwards, the training for ConvNets to identify and analyze EEG data will be done using trial-wise training and crop training. Finally, novel visualizations of trained ConvNets will be done for visualizing of EEG data, and the accuracy of the visualization will be observed. The use of ConvNets for EEG decoding and visualizing, alongside other advancements in machine learning, will boost the accuracy of the analysis and visualization of EEG brain signals, which will provide better electrical brain signals to be sent to the robotic limbs and allow perfect control of movement. This novel association will have a significant impact in the medical field. This will enable us to provide not only life-changing freedom of mobility to paralyzed patients and amputees, but make a big difference in inclusivity for these individuals. In the long run, this research will contribute in the development of robotic technological advancements. Who knows? Maybe in 50 years, you could search up this video using only your thoughts, without the need to type a keyboard. Thank you.